Hey, it's week 2 of the Woolery 12 Fiber Gifts of Christmas. And we're back, and we have some more cool stuff that we hope you'll enjoy. This next item is going to be on sale from tomorrow, which is October the 19th, all the way through next Friday, which is October the 25th. Are you ready to see what it is? Let's check it out. Look at this. Inspiration to craft. This week on sale we have these beautiful 250-gram cones of our Bluegrass Mills Mulberry Silk yarn. We've got a whole bunch of colors to choose from. You can find them on the website when you click the link. We have them in 2/8. We have the 22 and we also have the 62. These are incredibly soft. They feel great. There's no scratch. It's polished, and it's perfect for starting a craft, maybe a shawl or a really beautiful scarf. If you get started now, maybe you could finish it by Christmas, maybe by Valentine's Day. No rush, but we'd love for you to get them at this wonderful price. So click the link below, check out the website, and we will send them right to you in the mail. As many colors as you want. Happy week 2.